Reaching a concession agreement with the National Railways of Zimbabwe. So that's what we've been busy doing. We actually started this journey April 2017 when we had to respond to an RFP. And at the end of the day, fast forward, we actually managed to get the job. One of the requests we got from the chairman of the NRZ board was to assist them close the gap in terms of rolling stock. So they called that the interim solution. And the interim solution entailed actually us providing them with 10 mainline locomotives, 3 shunting locos, 34 coaches. We've since supplied them actually with the 13 locomotives and, I forgot to mention, 200 wagons. And we've also supplied them with 200 wagons. We have fallen short in terms of passenger coaches, and we hope to close that gap. They asked for 34 and we've provided them with only 5. So we hope to do that. So those locomotives and the wagons have made a big difference. We have actually signed a couple of documents, including, of course, the framework agreement. We're preparing some of the documents and also finalizing, some of these documents or contractual issues which will need us to sign the concession agreement. You may know that we do that. We have to submit an investment case of Section 54 of the PFMA, and that's exactly what we're doing. Get that approval of the Department of Public Enterprises. When we get the approval from the minister, we go to the banks. We got commitment already from the banks to give us the money. Go to the banks, get the money, and start the concession. 25-year concession. Well, we did actually a due diligence assessment of the track. Confidently say that they've got some track sections which are very good, and some of the sections will have to be replaced completely, particularly the railway line and new sleepers. So it will be a mix of rehabilitation as well as actually putting new lines. No, we're not looking at that. The only expansion you may have to do will be sidings where you have to increase the lengths of loops. But otherwise, the main line will not be, it's not yet on our horizon to increase that. They've got a line of 2,760, and as part of our contract, we don't see ourselves really significantly increasing the length of that line. Well, when we tendered, actually, there was need for us to partner with a local partner in Zim, and that local partner who we tendered with was Diaspora Infrastructure Development Group. The outcome of that is that really, firstly, we'll, for the first 6 years or so, we'll do the capital expenditure entailing the rehabilitation of the track, installation of signaling equipment, as well as the operations for the remaining 25 years to be operations in terms of moving goods from point A to point B. That is the concession, when we'll be moving commodities for NRZ. We have also done a commercial due diligence where we found out that actually there is a lot of commodities to be moved. Those commodities are likely to move from road to rail. As soon as they can realize that actually the rail is reliable, then they'll move the goods from the road to the rail. And that should be for the good of the country.